For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you travel often or just want a luggage set that covers all your needs, the Coolife Luggage Expandable 5-piece set, white grid new, is a solid pick. I travel regularly for both work and short getaways, and this set has proven reliable across multiple trips. It includes 5 useful pieces, a cosmetic case, 16-inch, 20-inch, 24-inch, and a 28-inch suitcase. Each serves a different purpose, and I've personally used the 20-inch for weekend flights and the 28-inch for a longer 2-week trip abroad. These suitcases are made of PC plus ABS hard shell, strong enough to handle rough handling but light enough to carry. On my last flight, my check 24-inch case came out with just a few scuffs, and nothing inside shifted or broke thanks to the molded corner guard reinforcements. It really helped me understand how well this material protects the contents. A nice safety feature here is the recessed TSA-approved lock, which allows TSA agents to check your bag without damaging it. That gives peace of mind when traveling internationally or with valuables. I once had a carry-on with a broken zipper after security inspection. This lock prevents that kind of hassle. The double spinner wheels make movement smooth and silent, even when you're rushing through busy terminals. I had to change gates quickly in Chicago once, and I remember thinking how easy the 20-inch case glided across both tile and carpet, no dragging, no wobble. Handles are solid too. You get a 3-step telescopic handle that clicks firmly into place and a padded top handle that's easy on your hand when lifting the bag onto a rack or trunk. It's small things like this that show good design thinking. Here's a quick reference for size. 16-inch cosmetic case, 11.8 by 8.1 by 18.7 in. 20-inch carry-on, 15.4 by 8.7 by 22.4 in. 24-inch suitcase, 17.3 by 9.8 by 26.4 in. 28-inch expandable, 20.1x 11.8 13x 30.3 in, which adds up to 15% more packing room. That extra space in the 28-inch came in handy for packing gifts and winter clothes. And the cosmetic case is surprisingly practical. I use it for toiletries and chargers, and it keeps things easy to grab during layovers. If you're after a set that's built with real function in mind and backed by actual use, I can say from my travel experience this Coolife set holds up well. It's a reliable pick whether you're flying short or long haul.